septic tank can also get absorbed by the ground and contaminate the water that is going to your house. Hello and welcome back to a new episode here in Aquafeel Maryland. My name is Jaime Turcios and today we're going to talk about why should I check my well water. Remember to like, subscribe and share this episode with someone that you think it might be helpful. So, are you new in a well water house? Have you ever lived in a well water house? Do you know all the things related to well water? Well, I'm here to talk to you a little bit more about this topic. So, when you own a well water house, you are the one responsible for the safety and the health of that water. According to the EPA, every owner is responsible to take care of the quality of water that you are getting from the well. So well water, test the well water on a regular basis is an important part of maintaining a safe and reliable source in your house. The test water allows you to properly address the specific problems of water supply, and this will help ensure that the quality of water that you are getting is the best for you and your family. So you can ask, is well water or city water safer? Well, well water is safer. I'm not gonna say safer, but it's healthier because it's full of minerals and isn't treated with harsh chemicals that can be causing so many problems in your health. But also you have to make sure that the quality is the right one. So the problems with well water is that there is no treatment. It's coming from underground source. So the people that makes the well take a little vein from that water that is underground that is provided to your entire house. So there are so many heavy metals that can be found underground, like lead, like arsenic, like chromium, like copper, selenium, and so many more. So it is important to check the quality of water that you are getting. Also, if you live close by farms or where are like lands with animals, it's also, you have to be careful because all the chemicals like pesticides that are used to treat plants in these farms can also be absorbed by the ground and can contaminate the water that is underground. It's also really important to have your septic tank treatment done every year, at least once a year or once every 2 years, because these septic tanks can get like cracks and all the things that are holding in the septic tank can also get absorbed by the ground and contaminate the water that is going to your house. It's important that you have a filter for sediments and for sand, for so many different things that can contaminate the water. You are the one in charge of knowing the quality of water. How can Aquafeel help you? So we can do a test on your home totally free to provide the best option for you that works best for your well water. Because you might notice you might notice color, you might notice so many different things in your water, or maybe not right now, but in the time you're gonna see all the difference, and it's better to know the quality of water from the beginning than at some point it might be late. So remember, all the contaminants that can be found underground and all the bacteria that can grow because all the contamination from septic tanks or maybe pollution that is in the environment around the well. You know, when the rain comes, all the ground absorbs these contaminants and pollutants and can contaminate the water. And you want to have a safe, clean water for you and your family for every single activity. So please, if you know someone that is new to well water, this information might be really, really helpful and important, because you never know all the contaminants or the or things can be found in the water, and then over the time that can cause problems in kids or even in you, your skin, your family, your health, which is really important. So here in Aquafeel, we can help you with that free test and give you the best options, or what are the options that works best for you. We have a specific systems made for well water according to the results of the test. Of course, take advantage of these options that we provide so you can have a safe and clean well water. Please, thank you for listening to this episode. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like. See you again in the next episode.